Hi, folks. My name is Ted Pavlic. I'm faculty in the School of Sustainability, and every other fall, I teach a course called SOS 325, Economics of Sustainability. It's taught other semesters as well by other instructors, and in general, the content really probably could be renamed Freakonomics of Sustainability, to borrow someone else's term. This is a course really about learning to think economically about problems for which you normally wouldn't think of as falling within economics. So for example, if you want to figure out how much of a natural resource to extract, like oil that's in the ground, you may not really think of the oil in the ground as being kind of like a bank account. I mean, you might think that I take some oil out, I sell it, I put the money in the bank. But what you don't realize is the more and more scarce that oil gets in the ground, the higher the price goes up on that oil in the future. And so now you have to decide, do I take the oil out of the ground, out of the bank and spend it, or do I leave it in the ground and let it appreciate, just like leaving money in a bank? Or if you think about timber forest, those things grow over time. Do I cut those things down or do I let them grow? Again, it actually sounds a lot like a bank. There are a lot of other things that we handle as well, trying to find the incentives when they're cryptic or trying to find the returns when they don't necessarily take a direct monetary form. So that's just kind of a brief preview of the types of things that you'll talk about in SOS 325, Economics of Sustainability. If you've had some econ in the past, that's great. This, I promise, will still be exciting and new. If you haven't had any econ, that's fine too. We will cover the econ that we need in order to get up and running. If you'd like to see examples, then take a look at this QR code above here. And the link there, that's actually a capture of the video archive from fall 2020 when I taught this course entirely over ASU Sync. I think it was pretty successful and I'm pretty excited about making use of ASU Sync in the future. And so if we still doing ASU Sync when you're considering taking my class, that's probably how we'll make use of it as well. So otherwise, best of luck in planning your course schedule, and hopefully we will see each other in a future class.